Yeah, yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So just I want to repeat today's morning class and then I'll tell you the experiment one, lab experiment. Okay. So why? Because we are very lagging in our syllabus, in our class. So just I want to discuss today's class. Why? Because I have understood that nobody has understood the topic here. Okay. So this is very important topic. Okay. So if you understand this, you can frame hypothesis for different data sets. Okay. So concept learning. Learning involves acquiring general concepts from specific training examples. Example, if you take people continually learn general concepts or categories such as bird, car, situations in which I should study more in order to pass the exam, etc. So if you take a concept is nothing but animals. Okay. So animals can consist of different, either it can be bird, okay, it can be uh, anything. Okay. So if you take anything, okay, example things it may consist of pen, paper, eraser, table, chair. So likewise. So concept is nothing but something thing. Okay. So what we are doing here, we are learning about that particular concept here. The mission is learning about the concept. Okay. So each such concept can be viewed as describing some subset of objects or events defined over a set, larger set. So if you take example, any supermarket. Okay, supermarket ఉంది సూపర్ మార్కెట్లో అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. ఇట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు వెజిటేబుల్స్. మీరు ఏది డిమార్ట్ తీసుకోండి, డిమార్ట్ లో ఇట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు వెజిటేబుల్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు సోప్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు కిచెన్ ఐటమ్, it is related to clothes, everything. So this is a large data set. So in that, what we are doing, we are taking a particular object. What is that? Vegetables. Brinjal is vegetable. Tomato is vegetable. So likewise. So what is this? Vegetable is a subset of that particular data of that set. Okay. So this is about concept learning. So here, alternatively, each concept can be taught as a Boolean value function defined over this larger set. If you take some data set, some data is there. Okay. So in that data, what we are doing, we are taking animals. Okay. So here in animals, I'm considering birds. Okay. So birds, I'm describing parrot. Parrot, ఎట్లా describe చేస్తున్నాను దాన్ని? I'm describing as green color. It will have green color. Okay. So some features, it is a bird. So likewise. So I'm giving it as yes, it is a bird. If I'm taking dog, is it a bird? No. So what I'm doing here, I'm labeling it as no. So a part of concept flow, నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, a particular subset has been taken. and that particular subset of data is learned to the system. So this is nothing but concept learning. So here, what hypothesis representation is provided to the learner? So let us consider a simple representation in which each hypothesis consists of conjugation of constraints on the instance attribute. So what is happening? Take some data. In that data, we are concentrating on a particular hypothesis which consists of different conditions. What is that? Example, let each hypothesis be a vector of 6 constraints. That is nothing but ఒక data set లో 6 attributes ఉన్నాయి. Example, so if you take this example, in this data set, how many attributes you are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attributes. Okay. Now, 6 constraints. Constraints is nothing but attributes. Specifying the values of the 6 attributes, how we are specifying it? We are specifying it as sky, air temperature, humidity, time, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, forecast, etc. Okay. So in this way, we are specifying the constraints here. Now, these 6 attributes has given some name. Now, what is happening for each attribute? The hypothesis will be either indicated by question mark or it is indicated by sorry. So here what we are doing? We are indicating it as question mark or it is indicated with 5. Okay. Now, specify a single required value for the attribute. How we are specifying it? We are specifying with some value here. ఎట్లా ఇస్తున్నాం? స్కై అనేది ఎలా ఉంది? సన్నీగా ఉంటుంది, రెయినీగా ఉంటుంది, క్లౌడీగా ఉంటుంది. సో లైక్ వైజ్. సో వీఆర్ గివింగ్ సమ్ value to that particular attribute. Okay. Now, if some instance X satisfies all the constraints of hypothesis H, then H classifies X as a positive example. So if you see here in this example, what I am doing here, I am considering this particular values. Okay. So what is the value? What is the output for this? Yes. So S indicates positive value. So that is nothing but H of X is equal to 1. If you are giving 1, system can understand only ones and zeros. If you are giving the particular instance with 1, so that is nothing but it is yes, Boolean value as 1. That is nothing but it is a positive example. If you are giving 0, that means that it is negative example. That particular instance consists of negative example. So here you can see. So here in the third row, you can consider it as negative example. Why? Because it is having no. Enjoy sport is given with no. Okay. So likewise, what we are doing, we are giving some Boolean expression or Boolean value to the data for the training examples. Okay. Now, the hypothesis that person enjoys his favorite sport only on cold days with high humidity is represented by the expression in this way. So what you are doing on the screen, you can see one expression is given. What is that? In brackets, question mark, cold, high, and next 3 question marks. So if the hypothesis is this, if the target function is this, that is nothing but the person can enjoy the sport. Okay. Only in this particular days. What is that? We will see from the table. If it is cold and high. So what is my hypothesis here? My hypothesis is question mark, cold, high, and question mark, question mark, question mark. So this is my hypothesis. If you see, if you consider this, what is question mark? Question mark is the first attribute value. So why I am giving question mark here? Question mark is nothing but I can represent in any way. I can take any value. Either I can take sunny or rainy or cloudy, any value for the sky attribute. Okay. But here value is specified. Cold అనేది మనం స్పెసిఫై చేసాం కాబట్టి ఏ టెంపరేచర్ అనేది కోల్డ్ గానే ఉంది. వార్మ్ అని మనం తీసుకోరాదు. ఎందుకంటే వాల్యూని మనం స్పెసిఫై చేస్తున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ హ్యూమిడిటీ అనేది హై ఉంది. అండ్ విండ్ అనేది ఎలా ఉంది? స్ట్రాంగ్. ఎందుకంటే ఒకటే వాల్యూ ఉంది. ఐదర్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి స్ట్రాంగ్, లైట్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్. వీ కెన్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ద క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ విత్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ. ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు, మనం స్ట్రాంగ్ గా తీసుకోవచ్చు, లైట్ గా తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఎట్లన్నా తీసుకోవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ అట్రిబ్యూట్? వాటర్. వాటర్ అనేది ఎలా ఉంది? వార్మ్ గా ఉంది, కోల్డ్ గా ఉండొచ్చు, ఎట్లైనా ఉండొచ్చు. అండ్ ఫోర్కాస్ట్ ఎట్లా? సేమ్ గా ఉండొచ్చు, చేంజ్ ఉండొచ్చు, ఎనీ వాల్యూ. ఇట్ కెన్ బి ఎనీ వాల్యూ. సో ఓన్లీ we are concentrating on two things, that is air temperature and humidity. If both the values are there, that is nothing but we can enjoy the sports. So we can give it as yes for this particular hypothesis. Okay, so in this way what we are doing here is we are specifying some hypothesis to our data. Okay. So the most general hypothesis that every day the positive example is represented with in this way. అన్ని క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఇస్తాం. దీని క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ అనేది మనం ఎందుకు స్పెసిఫై చేసినాం? అది జనరల్ హైపోథెసిస్. అది ఏదైనా కావచ్చు. నేను పొద్దున చెప్పాను, నేను ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్. మీ ఫ్రెండ్ని నేను తినడానికి ఏదో ఒకటి తీసుకొని రమ్మని చెప్పాను. అది జనరల్ హైపోథెసిస్ అన్నట్టు. సో హీ కెన్ డ్రింక్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ ఓన్. ఓకే. So if the most specific possible hypothesis that no day is a positive example is represented with phi symbol, that is nothing but I am specifying there. What I am specifying? I want dosa with onions with coconut chutney. So likewise. So what I am doing here, I am specifying the data. I am specifying the values there. So that can be represented with phi. Okay. If not, I'm not specifying anything. That means nothing is there. No value is there for that. Okay. So in this way, when we are deriving the hypothesis, that is target function, we will be deriving with all these, implementing all these values in the hypothesis. Okay. Notations. So as I have told you in the morning, there are different types of notations. Okay. So that is set of items over which the concept is defined is called a set of instances which denote by x. So that is nothing but here you can see. So these are all values. Whatever the values which are there in the table, these are all denoted with x. Next, x is the set of all possible days, each represented by the attributes sky. So this one. And the concept or function to be learned is called as target concept, which we denote by C. C can be any Boolean valued function defined over the instance x. If you see here, what we are doing, C is the concept. What is my concept? Sky అనేది సన్నీగా ఉంది, air temperature అనేది warm గా ఉంది, humidity అనేది normal గా ఉంది, wind strong, water అనేది warm, forecast అనేది same. So నాది ఏంటి? C concept ఏంటి? I can play games, that is yes. So na concept ఏంటిది? ఇదంతా నా concept. Based upon this x value, I am getting the concept here as yes. So this is nothing but C of x. C of x అనేది ఒక particular instance ని specify చేస్తున్నాం. Small x. C of small x is represented for a particular instance values to get the output. So that is C tends to capital X tends to 0 and 1. మనం అక్కడ ఏం రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం ఆ ఇన్స్టాన్స్ కి మనం ఎస్ ఆ నోవా అది స్పెసిఫై చేస్తాం. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ కాన్సెప్ట్, టార్గెట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ for a particular instance. We are specifying some concept to our instance, to our data. Okay. So here you can see the target concept is, corresponds to the value of the attribute enjoy sports. C of x is equal to 1 and unte, we are representing it as yes. If C of x is equal to 0, that is nothing but enjoy sports is no. Okay. So here instances for which C of x is equal to 1, those are positive examples, and C of x is equal to 0, those are nothing but negative examples. We will be specifying it as no. Okay, and here ordered pair x comma C of x to describe the training example consisting of x and its target concept value C of capital X. C of capital X అంటే ఏంటి? టోటల్ డేటా సెట్ కి మనము లాస్ట్ వాల్యూ అవుట్పుట్ ఏదైతే వస్తుందో, సో దట్ ఈస్ రిప్రజెంటెడ్ విత్ ద ఆర్డర్ పేర్ x comma C of x. Okay, and here capital H is there, that is nothing but hypothesis value is specified for unobserved data. ఇప్పటిదాకా మనం ఏమి ఇచ్చినాము, ఈ రోజు సన్నీగా ఉంది, ఈ రోజు వర్షం పడింది, ఈ రోజు స్కై అనేది ఇలా ఉంది, దానికి నేను ఆడలేను అని ఇచ్చాను. కొత్తగా ఏమొస్తుంది, ఇవాళ ఎంత ఉంది, టెంపరేచర్ ఎంత ఉంది, ఓకే, ఫోర్కాస్ట్ అనేది ఇట్లా ఉంది అంటే దానికి నేను ఏమి ఇయ్యలేదు. ఇంకా ఏంటి ఎంజాయ్ కోడ్కి ఎస్ ఆ నో అని ఏమి ఇయ్యలేదు. దాన్ని నేను ఏం చేయాలి, ఆ కొత్త అన్అబ్జర్వ్డ్ డేటాని మెషిన్కి ఇచ్చి నాకు అవుట్పుట్ ఇవ్వమని చెప్పాలి. That is nothing but capital H. Whatever the output which is given to the unobserved data, that is specified as H. Okay. So this is representing the hypothesis. So how we are going to represent the hypothesis? Next is finders algorithm. So this is the main algorithm. What is finders? Finders is nothing but specific hypothesis. We are describing the specific hypothesis for the data set. Okay. So this is the data set. We are implementing finders algorithm here. First, what we are doing, initialize H to the most specific hypothesis in H. So small h is denoted with to a particular instance hypothesis. ఒక ఇన్స్టాన్స్ తోటి మనము ఏదైతే సెట్ ని ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తామో, సో దట్ ఈస్ denoted with small h. Okay. Now, for our training example, initializing the hypothesis with all the null values. 5 అనేది మనం ఏం చేసినాము, ఇనిషియల్ గా ఏదైనా సెట్ నల్ గానే ఉంటుంది, ఏం ఉండదు. Okay, after that only we will give the value. We will compare the value. 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే మనము ఒక్కొక్కటి ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాం. Okay, so every time initially the hypothesis will be represented with 5 set. Okay, so how many attributes are? 6 attributes are there. So we are giving the set with 6 values. So this is the first step. Second, for each positive training instance X, each attribute constraint AI in H, constraint AI is satisfied by X, do nothing, else replace AI in H. Now if you see what is our first hypothesis we have got with all the null values. This is this first step. Now what we are doing, we have to compare all the values with all the attributes instances which are there in the table. ఆ హైపోథసిస్ ని మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము అన్ని రోస్ తోటి కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాము. ఓకే, సో దీంట్లో ఫస్ట్ రో ఏంటిది? సన్నీ, వామ్, నార్మల్, స్ట్రాంగ్, వామ్, సేమ్, ఈ. ఓకే, సో ఎస్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ x1. ఓకే, నౌ compare this with your hypothesis. Starting hypothesis. What has happened? Sunny is equal to 5 అనేది రాంగ్. ఏం చేస్తుంది? అది ఎల్స్ పార్ట్ లోకి వెళ్తుంది. ఎల్స్ పార్ట్ కి వెళ్ళి రీప్లేస్ ఏఐ. ఏఐని రీప్లేస్ చేస్తుంది. ఎట్లా? ఏఐ ఏంటిది ఇక్కడ కొత్తది. నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ అట్రిబ్యూట్ ని అట్రిబ్యూట్ వాల్యూ తో కంపేర్ చేస్తుంది. వామ్ is equal to 5 value. It is false. Again it goes to health part. So we will get warm. Again normal is compared with 5 value. Again we will get normal. So in this way we will get this hypothesis, H1 hypothesis. Okay, so this hypothesis we will get. Now again what you have to do, this hypothesis should be compared with other rows, other instances which are there in the table. Okay, so H1 we have got. Now compare with second row. So what is your second row? X2 entry, sunny, warm, high, strong, warm, same. So దీంట్లో sunny equal, so it will not go. Warm is equal. Again it is compared with high and normal. So high and normal are different. So what will happen? It will be represented with specific value, that is question mark. Again strong is same, warm is same is same. So the new hypothesis which we have got is H2 is equal to this one. In this way again it is iterated. The iteration process will be done again. It is compared with third row. As the third row we are having the value with no. So in find as algorithm, negative with the negative values it is not compared. So it will ignore that particular instance. A record ni ignore chestadi, next row ki transfer aitadi. So what it will happen? It will be compared. Whatever the hypothesis still we have got, that will be compared with the fourth row. Sunny, warm, high, strong దాంతో కంపేర్ చేసుకొని మనకి లాస్ట్ గా అవుట్పుట్ అనేది H4 is equal to sunny, warm, question mark, strong, question mark, question mark. So this is the final hypothesis which we are getting. So by saying this, what is our output? Can we enjoy the sport or not? So that is nothing but sunny, yes, warm, yes. Either it can be high or normal, it can be anything. Okay, it should be strong, sunny undali, warm undali, high undochu, normal undochu. It should be strong. Okay, and here it can be anything. Water it can be anything. Forecast it can be anything. So I can enjoy the sport. So in this way we will be predicting the output, final output. So is this clear guys now? At least now? Guys, can you speak please? Is this clear? Guys, I'm asking to you. Can you speak, please? Have you understood? Just note down this example. I'm having one more example. Just note down that, and we will move on to the experiment. Yeah, write on this example. Solve using find this algorithm for this data set. Vipisunda, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Just note down this example and using find this algorithm. Solve this example by using find this algorithm. All of you note down this example. You can just take a pic of it. I want the final hypothesis for this data set. Guys, over.
Yes, ma'am.
Others, guys, others, over. Just take a pic of it. మీకు రాయడం బద్ధకం ఉంటే ఒక పిక్ తీసుకోండి అమ్మా. So just see the top right one. In that you are having questions. How many concepts are possible for this instance space? How many hypotheses can be expressed by the hypothesis language? Apply find this algorithm by hand-on giving training set. Consider the examples in the specified order and write down your hypothesis each time after observing an example. So this is your question. Now if you see here, for top two I'll tell you, and then after that solve the problem and tell me what is the final hypothesis for this data set. Okay, so what is the first question here? How many concepts are possible for this instance space? If you see here, down left side, 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. So how it is? So that is nothing but data set లో ఎన్ని attributes ఉన్నాయి? Citation ఒక attribute, size ఒక attribute, in library ఒక attribute, price అనేది ఒక attribute, editions అనేది ఒక attribute. Citations లో outcomes ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 2 outcomes. సో సొల్యూషన్ లో చూడండి 2 into సెకండ్ ఏంటి attribute size. ఓకే, సో సైజ్ కి అవుట్కమ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? స్మాల్, బిగ్, మీడియం. సో 3 outcomes. So 2 into 3. Again, in library, how many outcomes are there? 2 outcomes. No, always. So any 2. So in the same way for price also you are having 2 outcomes. So that into 2. So the last attribute is editions. For editions you are having 3 outcomes into 3. So here possible instance space is equal to 72. So in this way, you will be calculating it, the instance space. So instance space and all the instances which are there in the data set. What are the outcomes? What is the outcome? So that is nothing but instance space. In the same way, how many hypotheses can be expressed by the hypothesis language? So 4 into 5 into 4 into 4 into 5. How it is? That is nothing but మనకి citations attribute కి ఎన్ని outcomes ఉన్నాయి? 2 outcomes. దాంతో పాటు 2 more will be added. What are those 2? That is nothing but one is question mark and one is 5. Okay. ఉన్న outcomes కి ఈ 2 కూడా యాడ్ చేసుకొని దాన్ని మనం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం. So here for citations already we having 2 outcomes. 2 plus 2, that is 4. In the same way, for size, it is 3 outcomes. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. So in the same way, in library, 2 outcomes. 2 outcomes plus 2, that is 4. So in this way, you will be expressing the hypothesis language with 1600. So this is the second question output. So now what you have to do? You have to find the hypothesis for this data set. ఇంట్లో చేస్తారా ఇప్పుడు చేస్తారా? I'm asking to you guys.
ఒకటి ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి మ్యామ్, ఇంకోటి ఏమన్నట్టు ఇంట్లో చేస్తాం. ఒకటి ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి మ్యామ్, ఇంకోటి ఏమన్నంటే అది ట్రై చేస్తాం మ్యామ్.
నేను ఇప్పటిదాకా చెప్పాను కదా, అదే సేమ్ అదే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ. హైపోథసిస్ ని ఫస్ట్ నల్గా తీసుకొని దాన్ని ఎవ్రీ రో తోటి కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటూ అదే సేమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. అంటే అర్థం కాలేదా? అర్థమైపోయింది నాకు ఇప్పుడు. వేర్ ఆర్ యూ ఆల్ గైస్? ఆర్ యూ నాట్ లిజనింగ్ ఆర్ ఆర్ యూ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ఇట్? గైస్ రిప్లై సంథింగ్, ఏదో ఒకటి మాట్లాడండి. అర్థమైందంటే అర్థమైందని చెప్పండి, లేదంటే మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేస్తాను నేను. ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. స్పీక్ సంథింగ్ గైస్. Talk something guys. Otherwise, shall I repeat it again? Hello? Hello? Understood, ma'am. Okay. క్లాస్ లో రెస్పాండ్, లైవ్ గా క్లాస్ లో రెస్పాండ్ అయిన వాళ్ళు కూడా రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఎట్లా అమ్మా ఇట్లయితే? నేను చెప్పేది అర్థం కావట్లేదా? మీరు వినట్లేదా? వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్? ఓకే గైస్, up to you. For your first lab experiment is the probability that it is Friday and that a student is absent is 3%. Since there are 5 school days in a week, the probability that it is Friday is 20%. What is the probability that a student is absent given that today is Friday. So for this, apply base rule in Python to get the result. So అందరు చదివే ఉంటారు బేస్ థీరం. So calculating with probability. So here you can see the probability A by B is equal to probability of B by A into probability of A by probability of B. So here if you see A and B both are evens, okay, and probability A by B is nothing but probability of A given B is true. A only, on that B is true. So all the data is there in that కొన్ని మాత్రమే తీసుకుంటున్నాం, దాంట్లో కొన్ని మాత్రమే ట్రూ. So probability B by A is equal to probability of B given A is true, and the probability of A, probability of B. This independently we are calculating the probability for different events A and B. So this is the formula for base rule. So this we will be applying there. So the formula is not used. Okay. So thinking before going to the experiment, just I want to tell you one example for this. ఒక స్మాల్ బేబీ ఉంది ఒక ఫ్యామిలీలో. ఓకే, సో ఆమెకి ఏమైంది అని అంటే ఫీవర్ వస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడు సాటర్డేస్ మాత్రం ఫీవర్ వచ్చేది. ఓకే, సో నా వచ్చే సాటర్డే ఆమెకి ఫీవర్ వస్తుందా రాదా, that we have to predict. So this can be done by using prediction model, classification prediction model. మనం ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేయాలి. సో ఎట్లా ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము, ప్రీవియస్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ డేటా తోటి మనం ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఏంటి, 1 month లో 4 weeks ఉంటాయి, 4 weeks లో 4 Saturdays ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, కానీ అన్ని సాటర్డేస్ రాలేదు, 2-3 Saturdays మాత్రమే ఫీవర్ వచ్చింది. ఓకే, సో దీన్ని బట్టి మనము వచ్చే సాటర్డే ఆ పాపకి ఫీవర్ వస్తుందా రాదా అనేది మనం గెస్ చేయాలి, ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేయాలి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్. సో దిస్ కెన్ బి డన్ బై యూజింగ్ probability. So chance of getting fever in next Saturday, that we have to predict. So here also if you see the first experiment, probability that it is a Friday and the student is absent in is 3%. Friday రోజు absent, and week లో 5 days ఉంటాయి, స్కూల్ 5 days స్కూల్. The probability that it is a Friday is 20%. అంటే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ 5 days కాబట్టి 100%, ఫ్రైడేకి మనం 20% ఇస్తున్నాం. So what is the probability that a student is absent given that today is Friday? So ఎంత ఛాన్స్ ఉంది absent అవ్వడానికి? So that can be done by using the algorithm Bayes rule. Okay, so by using Bayes rule we will be predicting the output. What is the percentage of that particular day can be. Okay, I don't know whether you have installed Anaconda in your systems or not. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. all of you open Python Jupyter notebook. So I'll send you these programs to you. So in this, there are different types of programs are there. 3 programs are there. Okay. I'll just copy the first program. Just run the program. So what it is asking, enter likelihood probability. So question like ఏముంది likelihood probability ఎంత ఉంది, student is absent అనేది ఎంత ఉంది 3%. So I'm giving it as 3. Enter. Prior probability. Prior probability ఎంత, Friday అనేది ఎంత వస్తుంది 20% వస్తుంది. So give 20. Okay, answer is 15. So already in the question you are having answer 15%. So you're giving the answer as 15. So 15% ఛాన్స్ ఉంది రాకపోవడానికి. ఆ అబ్బాయి absent అవ్వడానికి 15% ఛాన్స్. There is a probability of 15% ఛాన్స్ not to come to the school. The student not to come to the school. Okay. So in this way, what we are doing here is we are predicting the upcoming value, upcoming output. Okay. So this is your first program. So in the same way, there is one more program. What is this? Dangerous fires. Rare గా 1%, but smoke is fair. Fire ఉంది, అది ఫెయిరా కాదా, డేంజరా కాదా, ఫెయిరా డేంజరా, that we have to predict. Okay. So for this, what I am doing here is P fire. It is, I am giving the input probability of fire, how much it is. I am giving the input. Next, smoke fire. Smoke fire is nothing but what it is, what that particular smoke fire it is. Whether the fire is a smoke, it consists of smoke or not. Okay. And then whether the smoke fire is dangerous or not. So this, the value we are providing it to the system. Okay. Run this program. So I'm giving the value as 5. Enter the probability for the fire. 5. Enter the probability of smoke when given condition is fire. Whether it is smoky or not, danger or not. So I'm giving it as 20%. It consists of smoke 10%. So what it is giving? It is giving the result as 1000. Ante danger. The smoke is danger. Okay. So in this way we can predict whether the fire can be danger or not. So likewise, one more program. I can see leaves or not. That I am predicting it. So here, 50% of all rainy days start with cloudy. Other are not playing games. Whether it can rain tomorrow or not. It will rain tomorrow or not. That I am predicting here. Okay. So here, what is happening? 50% of all rainy days start with cloudy, but cloudy mornings are common. That is 40% days starts with cloudy, and this is only dry month. So 20% of the days are rainy. Then what is the chance of rain given cloudy? When there is cloudy, will it rain or not? This is my prediction. Okay. That I have to predict. ఇవాళ క్లౌడీగా ఉంది, వర్షం పడుతుందా పడదా. So probability of the rain isn't And the probability of cloud when given condition is rain, 50%. Probability of cloud is 40%. So what it is? 2500. So that is nothing but it will rain. Okay, so in this way, what we are doing here is we are predicting the probability. So we are predicting the output for the next. So this can be done by using prediction. Okay. So this is your first experiment. By using Bayes rule, what is Bayes rule? Probability of B by A into probability of A. So here also we are giving the same. Probability of B by A, that is likelihood probability by probability, prior probability into 100. So this is the formula for Bayes rule. So applying this Bayes rule, we are predicting the output here. Okay. So if you have not installed Anaconda in your systems, you can try this in Colab also. So just type Colab. So open Google Colab. Okay. So you'll get this window. Here open new notebook. So what is the program which is there? Just drag and drop. Run this program. It may take some time. Just wait. Okay. Likelihood probability is 3 and prior probability is 20. So you can see the output is 15. Okay. So in this way you can execute your programs in Colab also. Is this clear, guys? Yes. Okay. So this is your first experiment. Okay. So now what you do here is, whatever the problem which I have given to solve, okay. So how many of you have installed Anaconda in your systems? Guys, only Sunday, that's all. Nobody else. Okay. Exactly the programs, just try in your home. Okay. If you have not installed, also just install and you can run the programs in Colab also. Okay. So now, second experiment and third experiment we will see next week. Okay. So now what you do here is all of you solve this problem and tell me what is the hypothesis for this. Nobody should leave the class. Try this problem. Try this problem and tell me what is the final hypothesis for this data set. I'll give you 10 minutes time. I think you have. I should not see anybody to leave the class. I think you have taken a screenshot of it or a photo of it. Solve the problem. Yeah, Aditi, tell me. Why you are raising your hand? Aditi, any doubt? So have you copied down the problem? Are you having the problem with you?
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
you, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Just do the problem and tell me what is the final hypothesis for that data set. All of you saw it. Yeah, can anybody tell me what is the first hypothesis? Can you tell me what is the first hypothesis? So H naught will be always pi, set of pi values. This is the first initially. We'll be initiating with all the pi's for each and every attribute. So H naught is equal to pi comma pi comma pi comma. How many attributes are there? That much. Pi values you'll be keeping in the set. This is your first hypothesis. Compare that hypothesis with each and every instance in the table. So how many instances are there? Any record and 5 records. So you have to compare the new hypothesis with the next record. So every time you have to compare the records with the new hypothesis. So what is the first hypothesis here? H naught is all pi's. This is the first one. In second step, if you compare this hypothesis with the first row. So what is the first row here? First row is some small number affordable many. So if you compare this, what will happen? Here the value for buy is in negative. So no, answer is no. So you should not compare the hypothesis with this particular row. You have to ignore it. Okay. So H1 will be all the fives. H1 will be all 5 values in the set. Next, what is H2? Second hypothesis ఏమనొచ్చింది?
We ignore H2, ma'am, as it has negative value.
H2 కూడా ignore చేస్తారా? మీరు ఫస్ట్ రో
Okay,
ఒకటి
sorry.
కదా నెగిటివ్
Yes,
వాల్యూ.
ma'am. H2.
Second is
ఓకే మ్యామ్. సెకండ్‌ని కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాము. దాని నెక్స్ట్ వాల్యూ నెగెటివ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇగ్నోర్ చేస్తాము.
థర్డ్ ని కూడా ఇగ్నోర్ చేస్తాము. థర్డ్ ఇగ్నోర్ చేస్తాము.
మెనీ ఉంది కాబట్టి అది కరెక్ట్. బిగ్ మీడియం ఉంది కాబట్టి క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ వచ్చింది. ఇంకా
ఫైనల్ హైపోథెసిస్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి నాకు.
1 minute.
Can you send me the message? Sandeep, you have done with that. Just send me the message. What is the final hypothesis for this?
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
Others, please try. Just try. Then only you can understand how the algorithm is working. Why everybody is leaving? You are not interested in doing the problems. Pratyusha, what about you? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Amisha,
Yes, ma'am.
not working the program, not doing the program.
I'm doing, ma'am.
Taichan, Vijay, Manoj, Aditi, Kamala. What happened? Everybody is sleeping, huh? Done with your problem? What is the output? What is the final hypothesis?
Uh, many question mark no question mark
Oh,
question mark
one second. Yeah, many question mark.
no question mark question mark.
Okay. So that is your final hypothesis.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this way, you'll be finding the final hypothesis. So what about the others? Are you trying? Others, tell me what is your hypothesis? Right? Can others tell me what is your hypothesis? Are you solving the problem? Yeah. Next, what about the others? Okay, guys. Just give me 10 minutes. Just wait a minute. Give your attendance in the meeting. Yeah, 523, 16 series. Sixteen series E2,
Present, ma'am.
17 series 6, 17 series 11, 17 series
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
27, 527, 17, 545, 70 series 545, 17 series 56,
Present, ma'am.
Sunarvita,
Madam, 17 series 511. Present, ma'am.
17 series 563,
Present, ma'am.
63 present, okay. 17 series
Present.
582, 582, Manoj Reddy, 17 series C4, 17 series C7, 17 series D4, Tarun Raj, 17 series Not, 17 series N6, 18 series 1,
Present, ma'am.
roll number 1,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 6,
I present, ma'am.
7, 7, 8,
Ma'am, 5 present, ma'am.
Abhishek,
Present, ma'am.
some 8, roll number 8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10, 10,
9 present, ma'am.
roll number 10, 11, 12, Chakrajat,
12 present, ma'am.
Chakrajat 12,
12 present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
13, 14, 14,
Ma'am, 12 present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
వేసా నమ్మక
14, ma'am.
స్క్రీన్ కనపడట్లేదా 15,
Present, ma'am.
16, 17,
Present, ma'am.
Wilson, 18,
15 present, ma'am.
18,
18 present,
Present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
19,
19 present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Yes, ma'am.
21, 22, 23. Why are you not responding in the class? Huh? 24, 26, 27, 28,
Present, ma'am.
29, 29, 30, Paridhi,
Present, ma'am.
31, 32, 32, 34, 35, 36,
Present, ma'am.
36, 37, 38, 38, 39,
36 present,
40,
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
41, 42,
41 present, ma'am.
huh?
41 present.
30,
present, ma'am.
ఇంకా
41.
ఇంకా ఎవరమ్మా?
39 present.
41, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్
36 కూడా present.
ఇంకా
36 కూడా present.
36 వేసేసా. 43, 44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47, 47, 48,
48 present, ma'am.
49,
Present, ma'am.
49,
Present, ma'am.
50,
Present, ma'am.
51,
Present, ma'am.
52, 53,
Present, ma'am.
54,
Present, ma'am.
55, 56, 57,
Present, ma'am.
58,
Present, ma'am. 58.
59,
57 present, ma'am.
59, 59, 60.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Whatever
17 series
Saikat, are
D4,
you
ma'am.
not responding? Are you not listening or
Ma'am, actually, there
17
was a
series?
network issue, ma'am.
D4, ma'am. D4.
Hello, ma'am.
D4, 17 series? Yeah, Saikat.
Ma'am, actually, there was a network issue in my
Okay,
in this area, ma'am. So that's what I couldn't listen, ma'am, and I couldn't respond for the your
Oh.
words. Sorry, ma'am.
Have you understood it or not?
At the end, I just left the meeting, ma'am. So
Okay, guys. Just watch it. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, guys. Any attendance? Yeah. Who is this?
538 is also present, ma'am. He said
18
that
series, 17 series.
18 series, ma'am. 538.
18 series.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
18 series. Okay, Vivek.
Yes, ma'am. It's present.
ma'am, 18
Inka.
series 516.
Next.
18 series 516.
5?
516, ma'am.
516.
18 series
Adarsh.
516.
516. Adarsh కదా?
Ma'am, 20 series 44, ma'am.
5C4. ఇంకా?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
17. Okay. Next ఇంకా? 17 series?
5C7, ma'am.
Huh?
5C7.
ఎంతమ్మా?
5C7, ma'am.
5C7. Nikita. Okay, Nikita. Okay.
Ma'am, 16 series 5
Next,
2.
anybody?
16 series 5 2, ma'am.
Mamata. తెలుసు Mamata. Okay. Next. Anybody else who has not responded to attendance? Yeah, guys, please. Whatever the problem which is there, just try in your home. చెప్పండి ఏంటి ఎంత what is the number
17 series 5C4, ma'am. 5C4.
huh
5C4, ma'am.
వేసాను కదా నేను అరుణ్ వేసాను బాబు స్క్రీన్ కనపడట్లేదా సిస్టమ్ లో
లేదు, ma'am.
నేను మీకు కనబడాలని నేను స్క్రీన్ చూపించుకుంటూ వేస్తున్నాను అటెండెన్స్
Realize, ma'am.
ఓకే సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ guys, whatever the problem which has given, just try in your home. Okay. So any doubts, you can come forward and you can ask whatever the doubt which is there.